Hey guys, we're back. So now we are in the middle of prepping. We're in the middle of prepping the new compressors. I'm trying to prop you up here so I can get you guys a good view. Give the amateur like results here. But here's the old one right here. You need to loosen these 4 bolts with that T40 Torx, which is right here. I've already cracked them to get this compressor housing off. And there's the new one. I don't know if you can see, but there's just a plate over this new one. So this housing needs to go onto here with a new seal. And then lastly, we need to drain the fluid, the old oil out of this one, and drain the oil out of this one, and then we need to put back in the proper amount of oil that came out of the old one with the new fluid in that one, if that makes sense. So we're going to go ahead and we'll crack open the housing on this one. And yes, I should have an extension, but unfortunately I have misplaced mine, so I will have to do this just a little bit harder, but still get it done. There we go, those are all out, and this just comes right off. You will want to remove the old gasket because the kit comes with a new one. And then here's just a look on the inside of what's going on. Now, my compressor did not actually fail. What had happened was the clutch actually physically melted. Like you can kind of see remnants there behind the clutch itself. And because of that, the pulley, or the bearing inside, also decided to go, and it snapped the retaining clip off behind the clutch. So unfortunately this compressor is not repairable. Otherwise I would have just replaced the whole clutch assembly with a new bearing and everything. But because of this, it means the rest of my AC components are okay, because there wasn't an actual internal failure, it was external. Normally you'd have to replace your dryer and evaporator and whatnot. All right, show you more in a moment. Bye.